Good morning. Okay, today is a glazing day. Mushroom. Ronit made it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's nice, it's cute. But this, I must say,
Very nice.
it's beautiful. Kochi made it. That Ronit made. It's a dwarf on a wall. Dwarfs. That's what I made. I'm going to put it on. I'm not sure I love it, but it's cute, kind of. Going to put it on the mirror. It's okay. Okay, what do we have here? Okay.
Mrs. Moses.
The Mrs. Moses, yes.
איך היא קראה לה?
I don't remember. She had a name for her. That's cute. No?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Sophie.
Sophie? You think so? I don't remember.
No.
Kochi made it.
Uh-huh.
Wait, let's put them together.
Wow. The whole
That's
family.
the whole family.
Yeah.
Now that because I have a small kiln, it's like this. If you can imagine, it's like more than half the size of the height of the kiln it took. But it's nice.
Mm-hmm. She can't have enough of them.
Yeah. That Ronit made. I like it.
Yeah.
I like the expression.
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
Very cool cat.
Yeah, and that's another kit that Ronit made. And that one is actually beautiful. I like it. The way she painted it.
Lovely.
Lovely. Lovely. It's lovely. All right. Gat made it.
An angel.
An angel. Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful angel. Huh? I don't remember who made it. I think Ronit made it. Very nice.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Is there another layer?
Another layer, yes. Another layer. Let's see. Ah.
What's that?
Chabolam. It's Chabolam means, I think, if I remember correctly, she said, Chabolam, it's like הכי הרבה בעולם. It's like the best in the world. She made it for her husband because their granddaughter, she says to him, I love you the most in the world. So instead of saying
הכי בעולם.
הכי בעולם, instead of הכי בעולם, she's saying Chabolam. So it's cute. Yep. Ronit made it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it has a nice texture.
Yes. Very nice. I like that orange underglaze. Okay. That Kochi made.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. Here comes Hadas.
Nice.
Nice, it is nice. That's underglaze, and that's glazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she'll like it. And that's also Hadas made.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, really nice combination.
Yep. Oi, what the heck? Now I'm very, very sad.
No biscuit under it?
No. It's the same glazing. Now this I can fix. That turned out to be beautiful. Really, really beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it. But the shelf, I'm gonna cry in a minute. That I didn't expect that.
It's glued, the shelf.
Completely glued. I have a lot of work to do on this. Yep.
Why don't you put biscuits under the cups?
Because it usually doesn't happen. There's no need if you don't use a lot of glaze. But I don't know. It's weird because it's the same dip. It's the same. Maybe some. I don't know. I have to take care of it. I'm sad. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. See you next time.
How are you going to solve this?
I'm gonna break it.
Break the cup?
I'm gonna break the cup. I'm gonna break the cup, yes. And then I'm gonna sand it, and there's a lot of work to do.
Okay.
All right. Bye.